hope you're doing good. Today is Sunday. I'm thinking what to do today. I planned out to cook something, and for that I have to go to the market to buy some stuff, and I'll let you know what I'm cooking. So stay tuned. So I'm done. I'm getting ready. Actually, I'm already ready. I just wear my shoe, and I'll be heading to the market for shopping. So I'll be taking my friend's bike. Actually the rain has already began. I'm on my way to the market, but then the weather has already started responding and it has already started to rain a little bit. I hope that I don't meet a heavy rain while I do my marketing. I have already reached Laimukura market and I'm looking for a place to park my bike. Since today is Sunday, parking is not a concern, so finally got a spot. I'll park my bike and I'll move ahead to buy my stuff that I need for my cooking today. So let's go and buy vegetables. I will go and buy chicken. Kilo रहना कितना है? I'm done buying my chicken, but then it starts to rain here. Come on, at least weekends. So we'll go and get the vegetables now. Vegetables we don't need much. কি করবে তো ধনিয়া দিয়ে 20 টাকা ধনিয়া ধনিয়া নাই ও কামত বন্ধ হৈ পোৱা নাই ন তাৰপিছত আদা নহৰু দিওঁ আদা এনেকুৱা গোটা এটা দিয়ক আৰু নহৰু 5-6টামান উঠাওক So at this point when I was buying the vegetables, it started raining very heavily. So I was stuck there almost for half an hour. And unfortunately my camera's battery also got over. So I could not shoot anything after that. But then after that I came home directly when the rain stopped a bit. So immediately after reaching home, I started with washing the chicken first, then with the other works. As I'm cooking this dish in a very traditional way, the main ingredient with masalas are only ginger and garlic paste. So first I'll start with peeling of the ginger. So we'll grind this now. So my paste is ready now. So next is we'll cut the onions. So first thing is you need to heat up the pan. So today's dish what I'm going to cook is chicken. I won't give a name. What chicken is this? Okay, so now the pan is completely hot. We'll put normally 3 to 4 tablespoons, but then right now won't measure. Just andas mein, all right. Okay, this much is fine. Okay, so first we'll put the bay leaf. So the okay, so let it fry for some time. Now we'll put the chicken here. It's already washed. So normally when I'm cooking anything, I just want to get it cooked in a slow process. So I just put the heat little bit on the low and get cooked. So it will take time, but I want it to get cooked in a slow process. So normally someone cooks the chicken in half an hour with a high flame, but then I just wanted to take its own time to get it cooked. I have not added any other masala other than the ginger garlic paste. We'll put some jeera, so we'll add some haldi. This fine. So the chicken is getting a little bit colored also. Now to color my chicken, I'll put some red chili powder. Here we go. Not much. And like I already said, I have not added much masalas to this chicken curry, but yeah, for coloring purpose. Done. So the main thing that I almost forgot to add was namak. So you can add this based on the taste. Some like it more, some like it less. But I'll put this much for me. Last but not the least, this is the final ingredient that I will be putting here. Because I'm cooking it in a very traditional way, so this is bamboo shoot, which is prepared at home, and I got it from one of my friends, specially given on the quality check. So I've added a bamboo shoot, and then let it get cooked for some time. And the other main thing is this, to make it more spicy, because in most of the traditional foods we add this is called hot jolokia or king chili. Have to be very careful because it's very spicy. Okay, now we'll let it cook for some time. So let's check the chicken after we put the bamboo shoot. Oh, it's looking delicious already. We'll add some more ginger and garlic paste. So that it's more spicy, along with the green chili. And the next thing is either you want to have it dry or any gravy. So I'll be adding some boiled water, which I already boiled previously. I put boiled water because it doesn't take much time to get cooked, because if you put a cold water, it's like the cooking restarts itself again. So that's why I put some boiled water. And it's already looking delicious. You can try making this at home and enjoy with your family. See you in next vlog.